Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How is everybody doing today? In today's video, I'm going to be sharing some mail that I received from some young ladies from the budgeting community and from one of my supporters. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing I received is from Cassie J and Corinthia. I think I said her name right. I ordered some of these. I don't know what they're called. These little cute ladies to put on my binder, and they gave me a free envelope. I think I'm gonna use this to put my receipts in, because you know I scan my receipts to Fetch Rewards. And if you're not familiar with Fetch Rewards is an app that allows you to scan receipts to redeem gift cards. I'll leave my code right here at the top. And if you once you download it and put my code in, you will receive 2,000 points. And at this moment, I will receive 4,000 points for referring you. But guess what? They will give you a referral code also, where you can receive referral points too. So thank you to Cassie and Corinthia for sending me this cute envelope. So yeah, I got that from them. And then they sent me some more freebies, which I thought was nice. Well, this is just their information saying tag them on social media. They have a website, and I'll leave their Instagram in my description box. That's how I found them. And plus, they both have YouTube channels. I'll link their YouTube channels too. So they gave me this cute little card that says "Hello, beautiful." Of course, I can use this when I'm planning. I don't show my planning on video because I don't budget out my entire paycheck. I just budget out my spending money. So these are some of the cuties they sent me. Cute little stationery that I can use. So yeah, thank you to Corinthia and Cassie. And they also sent me a $1,000 bill prop money. So I'll be using this for my 10K challenge. And then they sent me some of this paper, what's it called? Like transfer paper to put my decals on my binder. And they sent the directions. And these young ladies are very professional. Customer service was great. I got great feedback. So yeah, I would recommend this these ladies shop to anyone. And I will be reordering again. You know, Mrs Vee, I have a support small businesses envelope, and you know, I'm just going down the line. I got a wish list, and as I go through the wish list, I'll mark everybody off. So I get to mark these ladies' names off. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these on my binder, and I'll come back and show you how it looks. Look at that, guys. Is that not cute? So I'm gonna get this one to my sister if she wants it. But I'm gonna demonstrate how to put this one on, because it was tedious. They gave great directions. I kind of already knew how to do it anyway, because I do sell envelopes myself. But take the decal, and then you cut this transfer tape down the size. And then I've cut this piece because you're going to transfer it using this tape. But the thing about the decal is you got to make sure it's adhered to this binder before you start pulling this transfer tape up. So take this off. This side is going to be sticky. So you just place it on your decal. Get you a credit card or something, but I had this little, tool, Cricut tool. So gonna make sure the decal has adhered good to the transfer tape. And when you take it off, you roll the corner down. You don't just pull it. You don't just pull it up. So you kind of roll it. See how I got that paper? And I just kind of roll it back. Gonna do the same thing here. So when I center it like I want it, I think I want it on this corner. Ooh, I love these. They are cute. Put it right There. So, I'm gonna rub it on there real good. So you take your credit card or whatever you have. Just make sure it's adhered to the binder real good. Apply some pressure, especially I had trouble with her nose. So I'm gonna make sure I apply a lot of pressure. So here we go. We're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna take the corner, we're gonna lay it down and roll it like this. And it should stick. Because if you just lift it up, you'll pull the vinyl. So I'm gonna roll it back. See how I'm rolling it back? Let's see if we can get all of it on there. See, some of that is still coming up, so I lay that back down. And press down on it real good. Let's try that again. Lay it down and just roll. That one still. So sometimes you have to just pull that back. I'm gonna go ahead and pull that back myself. Ooh, it still don't want to come off. Yeah, so I say it's kind of tedious. So I'm gonna let this sit on there and I'll pull that off later. But just make sure it has adhered good. Well, let me try it this way. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Well, I'll show you a picture at the end. I'm going to let that sit for a little while. So, yeah. So, I want to thank these ladies for these items. And, yeah, we're going to go on to the next one. So, as I said, I'll link their Instagram and I'll link both of their YouTube channels. And the next one is from a young lady named Kadima. She's a cash stuffer here on YouTube. I was watching one of her videos and she was mentioning that she had some extra 1K slips, the 1K prop money, and she was willing to mail them to you if you wanted some. She put my name on there. Isn't that nice? Thank you, Kadima. And yeah, so she sent me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was nice of her. I didn't think I was gonna need any 1K slips, but when I decided to do the 10K challenge, I said, why not? She sent them to me for free. So thank you, thank you, thank you. And her channel is similar to mine. She's a cash stuffer and she shares her debt-free journey on her channel. Her videos are so cute. She got the little pig in the intro. Yeah, she have real cute videos and she have some of the little memes in her videos. Go check her out. I'll link her YouTube channel, and she gave me some extra stickers for a planner. So thank you again. And she said, Miss V, thank you so much for all your support, Kadima. You have received one gracious blessing after another. John 1:16. Look at that. Is that not cute? Now that's cute. So yeah, thank you, thank you, thank you. So that's from her. And last but not least, I got some mail from one of my loyal supporters, Miss T. She know I love butterflies, so she sent me these cute butterflies that she saw at the Dollar Tree. I was just looking at these butterflies when she sent them. So they're cute. They're dimensional. So yeah, they're real cute. It's 4 large ones, well, medium-sized ones. And she also sent me, she know I do DIYs, which I was doing a lot of DIYs. Not so much now, but I still appreciate the diamond wrap. You know I'll do a DIY soon. And here's some more butterfly decals. And she wanted to let me know that she's now selling Mary Kay. So she sent me some samples of that Time Wise cream So she let me know this is a combination for oily skin, and this one is for normal to dry skin. So thank you, Miss T. Got Mary Kay. Then she sent a book and some samples. So yeah. So I'll put her Mary Kay information in the video. So if you're looking for a Mary Kay consultant, check out Miss T. Yeah. So I do order Mary Kay. One of my coworkers sells it, but I will be ordering from her. Yeah. So she sent me some more samples and some more cute butterflies. I'll put these on my envelopes. So yeah. And she sent a lot of stuff. Miss T, you showing out. Okay, she sent me some more. It's just a lot of other samples. I will be using these. I do a review in my videos, and I'll be sure to mention you, Miss T. So yeah, so she sent me a little letter. She said, Miss V saw these butterflies in Dollar Tree and thought you might like them. And she just let me know that she started selling Mary Kay. So that's it. That's going to conclude my video. So thank you to Cynthia, Cassie, Kadima, and Miss T for thinking of me. I really appreciate it. It never goes unnoticed. I'm watching everybody who is supporting my channel. And I'm paying attention to who's staying to the end of these videos. Because you remember, Miss V, I don't do giveaways. I do what's random acts of kindness. And, you know, as the Lord blesses me, I'll bless you guys. So this is it. This is Miss V. I'm going to continue to show you love. And I'm going to always, always, always help you save on some of the things you need, so you can get some of the things you want. I got 5 1K slip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, she sent me a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And remember, Cynthia and Cassie sent me 1 too. So that's another one. Remember, I'm doing the 1K challenge, so I'll be using these for that. Look at God. He knew I was gonna need these. So if you want to know how well I'm doing on my 10K challenge, I did an update yesterday, so check out that video. So this is Miss V. I'm gonna continue to show you love, and I'm gonna always help you save on some of the things you need, so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you, and have a nice day.